So we've looked at character level formatting, and we've looked at paragraph level formatting, and the next level of formatting to look at, or is that we will look at is page level formatting. And so if you go into where is it? I always have to look around a little bit. Pages, illustrations, design, page layout. Here we go. Page layout. So page level formatting allows me to make changes to the page level. Character level formatting can make changes to characters, right? Multiple, single. Paragraph, make changes to paragraphs. Single paragraph, multiple paragraphs. Page level formatting allows me to make changes to pages. So I'm going to go down here to my little zoom scroll bar right there and just zoom out so I can see my pages. There we go. And watch as I do some page level formatting. And so over here we've got orientation. I could click this and choose landscape. And now my orientation on the page orientation just changed, right? From portrait to landscape. Portrait to landscape. Back to portrait. I could also change the size of the paper. So if I'm doing anything other than letter, like maybe legal or whatever, I could choose a different size of paper so that I'm, creating my document in the correct size. I could also change my margins here. So the margins for my paper, I could change those here. And I could go to custom margins. And this brings me into the page setup dialog box, which I can also get to. I could also get to the page setup dialog box by clicking on that little arrow right there. And that brings up the page setup dialog box where I could adjust my margins. I could adjust the orientation. I could also see, mirror margins here. Now I'll have two pages, with a mirror margin, which is sometimes used when you're creating like a book that's going to be bound together. Change my paper. And here I could say if I have a different odd and even header or different first page header, I could adjust that. So that's page level formatting. The other thing which is interesting in our page level formatting is here we have columns. So I'll just show you the columns right there. And we also have line numbering. Let's go to line numbering first, and then we'll do columns. I'm going to zoom back in. And let's say that right here, I wanted this information to appear as like 2 or 3 columns. I just highlight it. Wait, I said I was going to do line numbers first. So line numbers, continuous, right? So there are my line numbers if I want a legal type document. Restart at the top of each page. Right, so now I have line numbers restarting at the top of each page. So that's kind of cool if you're into legal things. And also if you're going to discuss something, you could have line numbers. So you could say on line 14 or whatever. So now I'm going to create columns. So I highlight what I want to turn into columns. I highlight it first, and I go over to columns. I just choose how many columns do I want that to be. I want that to be 3 columns. And now it just gave me columns. So I'm going to hit undo just because there's other stuff I want to show you, and I don't want that column thing getting in the way. So that is a page level formatting.